Something has happened to my mom. I don't know what happened. I would know it's just that she was setting up. She was setting up at a party. That's all. Oh, dang it. Ah!
What happened to you? What happened to her? Gotta be fast.
The lady jumped me.
The lady, she was mad about the party that she didn't do certain things, and I was trying to talk to them and say, well, you know,
She been to the doctor.
yeah,
Well, she could come out.
okay, she need help. She can't get up there. So I was in the backyard. She was in the front yard. I don't know what was going on. Next thing I know, yeah.
Yeah.
She got smart. The lady done told her not to do it. She wanted to do it. So we got stitches on top of the garage.
Wow.
We got them fixed.
Okay.
You okay?
Are you sure? She mess you up. Huh?
I'm not trying to look out, but you didn't get one hit off the ground. You had to fall off of something. I'm sorry, I've been holding these for a long time, but it don't look like you got one hit in you.
I did.
You talked all that shit, it don't look like, I don't know.
We gonna sue her.
Yeah.
How you gonna sue her? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You didn't call the sheriff?
We didn't want to make a scene because it wasn't her house. She had the party at her uncle's house.
She still should have called the sheriff department.
Well, she can call now.
Well, she could call now,
We
right?
got the license plate number.
You need to call the sheriff. What's gonna happen is
Go get the phone, Jamie.
they're gonna put her in jail.